Hi friends, in today's video I want to show you demonstration of 250 watt inverter. Here you can see that there is 250 watt inverter kit. There is DC input wire positive and negative. Here you can see that battery wires. There is output connection of AC wire 220 volt. Here you can see that. For mobile charging there USB output. Here you can see that. There is backside of 250 watt inverter. Dear friend, if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe, also press bell icon. There is diode. Here you can see that. To convert electricity there is FET. Here you can see that. Convert DC volt into AC volt. Here you can see that. So friend, that's all about from my this video. If you like this video then don't forget to subscribe, also press bell icon. Have a great day.